Well, we're heading to the parking lot so we could just grab this ski. Listen, guys, just because you get something for cheap, that doesn't mean it's always gonna work out. And look, my tire's flat. Do you know which one it is? We're almost there, guys. We'll be there in 2 seconds. So I picked up this Yamaha GP800 from a friend, and he says it runs. So we're gonna get this thing on the hose. I did start it, but I didn't run it for a long period of time, and last time I started it was like smoking like crazy. So I'm gonna run it on the hose. That's the first sign that somebody added extra oil to it. So what you usually do is do a compression check. Make sure your plugs are not oily, because people like to dump oil in there to raise the compression. And we're gonna see how this thing sounds, and I might tear this motor apart because I hear something a little funny, but we'll see. Let's see if this guy was telling the truth. I mean, it does run, so he's not lying about that, but that doesn't mean you're not gonna have to put no money into it. And I think the motor has an issue, and we will see shortly. After struggling here for a while, I just pulled the trailer out and it just slid from right underneath the ski. And I'm gonna just jump on the Bobcat and just throw it back in the yard. Tell me if you guys want longer form videos or shorter videos. Tell me if you want to see engine rebuilds or us ripping it on the water. Oops, it almost fell there. I think I caught it. Look at her trying to save me. Comment below. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I got so much work to do, and I'm probably like everybody else. I'd rather just be on the water. Who wants to do all this work anyway? Alright, I'm gonna bring this back to the shop. So put a battery on it, or a jump box on it, and let's hear it run. So for you guys who don't know, this is a 1998 GP800. These are great skis when they run right. Okay. They have a 2-cylinder power valve motor in them. I think these are really good for 2 people or up to like 250 pounds, because this thing is a little tippy. You do not want to ride with 3 people on this ski. But these are fun and agile skis. They have lots of power, and this same hull actually comes in a triple, a GP1200. It has a front storage, and underneath this rear seat also has another storage box for you. And after taking off this seat, this motor is pretty clean, but I already see a problem. There's a temperature sensor missing on the head, so that's a sign of a buzzer going off. And I'm going to throw a battery on it right now so we could test run it, and then I'll do a compression check. I'm just getting a quick look at this motor. I'm going to do a compression check now, and let's see if this thing has good compression. So we started pulling the plug wires and pulling the spark plugs out so we could see how these things look. It looked a little oily, looked like it had some water in it also. We're going to do a quick compression test, so we're, screwing it in to test it for you. And after doing a cylinder 1, it had about 115, 120, and then the second one had around the same, as you can see here. So now we just started putting everything back together. This buzzer kept going on. This could have been because this temp sensor is off. But I'm getting these plugs back in real quick so we can see if this thing fires up, because it hesitates. You'll see right now. I hear like a little knocking or spark sparking. I think there's something slapping inside this head, but we're gonna try it again. And look how clean these gauges are. These are very few gauges I see work this good. So I got it to fire right there. It's hesitating. Let's see. So right here, even though it's running good, I keep hearing like piston slap and it keep misfiring. So I just went ahead and pulled this head. I didn't want to bore you guys with it, but I did pull the head, and let me show you what I found. Even though it runs this good, the cylinder walls were scarred from the piston. So be careful what you buy out there. Even if you do a compression check, make sure there's no excessive oil raising the compression. And this crankcase was pretty good. And that's all. I'll see you guys on the next video.